I'm going to make the Johnny cocktail for you. Start out with the usual ice in a glass. I'm going to use a little bit of slow gin. Use 1.5 ounces. The jigger I'm using today is 1.5 ounces. Ounce, half. We're also going to use 3/4 ounces of triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. Not quite 1 ounce, but I like orange liqueur. We're also going to throw in a teaspoon of anisette, which is a licorice flavored liqueur. Throw it into the cocktail shaker. Shake thoroughly. Get the glass right here. And here we have Johnny cocktail. Cheers.